Hello everyone, this is Rotaract Sharmila. Today I am going to solve an easy level problem by using Python. Let's see the question quickly. The given an array that represents the integer, we have to increment the integer by 1. Let's dive into the solution. I declare that the array has a digit and store the length of the array in n. I solve the problem in the from the last digit of the array. So I take the start value as n minus 1 and n value as minus 1 and the steps to skip is minus 1 in the for loop. If the digit of I is less than 9, we have to increment it by 1. If the digit of I is equal to 9, you have to plus 0, which means you have to keep the digit as same. Then it will return the digit. If you have an array like 999, if the array contains only 9, it will goes into the last step, return 1 plus 0 star n.